Good morning, everybody. Today's task, I'm going to be trying to take this motor out, which I will get this motor out, but I want to take this motor out, set it over to the side, and then what I want to do next, I'll be taking the motor out of this car here, the Mustang with the red front end on it. We'll take that motor out, put it over in this Mustang over here, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be driving this one. We're going to put all of the front end back. This was just a temporary thing that we did for my daughter, putting the front end off of this over onto her car, get her back into Indiana. But today we're going to take that motor out, put the front end back on, and get that gal where she can head back up. She got to be back to Indiana on Wednesday to go to work. So anyway, this will be our task for the weekend. Thanks.